Hi guys, so this is the second way on how to cure a hiccup. All you need is your two fingers, your thumb and your index finger. So what you're going to do now is you're going to block your nose. It's a funny way actually, but yeah, it works. So you're going to block your nose with your thumb, then your index finger you're going to use to block your ear, and you're going to swallow 3 times. You're swallowing 3 good times. So you can try this if you're having hiccups or you know anyone having hiccups. Tell them to try this, and trust me, it works immediately. See you on my next shot. Subscribe for more.